Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the Valentine's niche, and I hope you take advantage of these keywords because they have great, amazing profitability metrics. Now, we are using a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of these keywords. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel and you are looking for a daily updated list of Amazon KDP keywords, as well as tips and strategies that I follow myself with my Amazon KDP business and ways to make money online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now, the 10 keywords that I will share with you, they are a combination of low, medium content books to do with the Valentine's Day niche. And like with any seasonal or event-based niche, please bear in mind that you want to aim for long-term success. So you want these books to sell all year round, and you want them also to sell year after year. So avoid keywords in the title or subtitle that have anything to do with the year number, because they give an outdated look and feel after the year has finished. If you have a keyword that has a year number, simply use the keyword as is without the year number and add the year number in the for example, in the cover, because the cover can be changed after that year has finished. The title and subtitle cannot be changed. It is permanent, and you will only be able to change it once you delete your book and relist it on a different title. And that will be a whole phase and a whole lot of work that you can be able to avoid. Now, let's head over and have a look at the first keyword out of the 10 today. And our first keyword is Valentine's Day positive affirmations. This is an incredible keyword. It has a strong, solid keyword niche score given by Titans of 79. Our total results are within the 1,000 range, and they're currently sitting at 1,884. The average bestseller rank is 131,031, and it is under 300,000, which is also a bonus and ideal. We also have the average reviews sitting at 639. Average price is $11.65, which is also good to see. So this keyword is an amazing keyword because it will open the doors of opportunity for you for any sort of book. For example, you can go ahead and niche down to Valentine's Day positive affirmations coloring book, activity book. You can have a notebook with positive affirmations in there as well. You could also have niche down based on the audience. Who do you want to give it to as a gift to? That coloring book or activity book or sketchbook, whatever it is that you create under the theme of Valentine's Day positive affirmations. Is it for teachers? Is it for students? Is it for moms and dads, the seniors as well? All this will determine the interior as well as the cover and the main theme and design of the book. Valentine's Day positive affirmations, you can find so many lovely interiors available in Creative Fabrica to do with this wonderful niche right over here. And you can also find lovely books that are ranking quite well with a bestseller rank under this keyword. Don't sleep on this. I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro and stick to this one. For example, the second keyword for the day is Valentine's Day gifts for kids classroom notebook. Now, this is an amazing keyword because it has great profitability metrics as well. My apologies, the page just skipped through, but we have it right back here. So we have a total results of 749, which is amazing and good to see. It is under 1,000. Also, the average bestseller rank is under 300,000, and it is currently sitting at 87,520. My apologies. And the average reviews are 121. Average price is $15.16. And we also have a keyword niche score to rely on by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension of number 8, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to ignore Titan's lack of keyword niche score because we have wonderful supporting evidence right over here. Total results under 1,000, average bestseller rank under 300,000, a good amount of reviews that I'm happy with, and a really good price as well as the average. So I'm going to rely on Amazon Scout Pro for the keyword niche score. And this is exactly why you need to have all of the Chrome extensions graded and also activated as well, in order to have information to compare against and to analyze and to give you the best results possible for you to make the best decision on the keyword, whether it's viable or not. Now, the idea behind this is it's going to be Valentine's Day gifts for children in the classroom, and it's going to be notebooks. So this is a wonderful opportunity for you to take advantage of the notebook low content niche. By creating Valentine's Day gifts for kids, you can niche down based on the size. You can niche down also based on the age groups of these kids, whether they're boys or they're girls as well. Now, I'm not telling you to jump right into the notebook niche again, because it took us a while for us to move from notebook low content to creating medium content. And I always try to emphasize the importance of creating medium and jumping to high content books as well, for a really steady, solid, consistent income coming from Amazon KDP. All the money is in the medium content and high content books, but this is also a great way for beginners as well to really push down and create a couple of really good notebooks with good covers and utilize this amazing keyword as well. So let's jump into keyword number 3. And I have keyword number 3 is Valentine's Day gifts for husband notebook. So here we have a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this wonderful keyword as a nice niche. Coming into the total results, they're currently sitting at 1,249. The average bestseller rank is a little bit on the higher side, so it's 542,773, but that does not personally concern me a lot, to be honest, personally, because it's something that I'm going to be utilizing this keyword and creating a notebook or two with customized maybe love messages or funny quotes to do with as in the cover, and moving on to the next. It's not like you're going to sit down and create 10 or 20 notebooks for this keyword and you're going to wait for the sales to roll in. You're going to utilize this wonderful keyword and the previous one as well to create a notebook or 2, maybe 3 maximum, and then move on to the next. Always move on to the next keyword with more potential as well. So diversify your KDP portfolio. If you currently have in your portfolio Valentine's Day notebooks specifically for husband or for boyfriend or for couple, for example, utilize this keyword, go in, update the 7 keyword slots and get a ranking for this keyword, and then move on to the next. Don't just sit down waiting for sales to roll in, especially for notebook type of books. The 4th keyword is Valentine's Day notebook gift for him. Now this has better potential. We do have the bestseller rank to be within the acceptable range, which is 300 to 400,000, and it's sitting at 469,671. Also, we have a strong and solid keyword niche score by Self-Publishing Titans of 68. We have the total results within the 1,000, and then sitting at 1,472, we have the reviews sitting at 1,091, the average price of $17.69. We have a couple of books as well that are ranking quite well. This one here, for example, it is an independently published book. It says Valentine's Day gift for him. Thanks for always feeding me and telling me I'm beautiful, with a bestseller rank of 18,153. Now this is amazing. This actually sells on approximate, according to the kdpextension.com, on approximate it sells around 300 copies per month, generating around $389. Now this is a wonderful example of something that will sell all year round. Although the title here does say Valentine's Day gift for him, it's not specifically to be given on Valentine's Day. That's just an extra bonus, but that's something that can be given on the birthday of your loved one, on, for example, the anniversary, any occasion where you will need to give him a gift. This would be purchased all year round, and that is amazing as well. Now I'm just trying to see here without clicking on the actual book to see when was this notebook published. Here is also another great example. This one is selling around 30 copies per day, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. and the image is not really appropriate for the video, but you get what I mean, to be honest. Here, just scrolling through, that was published in 2021. Yeah, it is still bringing in consistent sales. And keep in mind, look at how basic the cover is as well. So this is a great opportunity to take advantage of this wonderful keyword right over here. Valentine's Day notebook gift for him. Now let's dive into the next. We have the next keyword is Valentine's Day word search books for kids with a keyword niche score of 57. We have the total results sitting at 583. Average bestseller rank, yes, it is a little bit on the higher side, but this is an ideal keyword to use for the 7 keyword slots because of the average bestseller rank being a little bit high, but there is potential because of the keyword niche score being in the appropriate range, 57, the total results being under 1,000. We have a good amount of average price as well listed for this book. It is a medium content book. You could also be able to utilize this book for the 7 keyword slots for any activity book that contains word searches, that is, fulfills the promise of it is for kids, which are our audience, and it is to do with Valentine's Day, or maybe any sort of like wording that is appropriate for that list as the 7 keyword slots for this keyword. That's how I would utilize this wonderful keyword, Valentine's Day word search books for kids. Now let's move on to the next, and the next one is Valentine's Day word search for kids 6 to 8. See, for example, if you're utilizing this wonderful keyword for the title, I would put this down for the subtitle, Valentine's Day word search books for kids with the bestseller rank of 700. I would utilize it for the 7 keywords, and I would have this for the title, for example. This one has a keyword niche score 58 by Titans and a keyword niche score number 7 by Amazon Scout Pro. Also, the total results are within the 1,000. They're within the acceptable range. Listed at 1,253. Average bestseller rank is currently sitting at 365,342 within the 300,000 range. Average reviews of 484. Average price is $7.56. Beautiful long tail keyword. We're very specific here when it comes to the audience, their children, and they're between the age of 6 to 8 years old. And here we have a couple of books that are ranking quite well. For example, with this one with a bestseller rank of 212,000. This one is beautiful as well, 57,537, bringing in about 238 per month, selling around 90 copies per month as well. This one's with 29,000, beautiful. This one's bringing in revenue of 779 on a monthly basis. This is 1,500 on a monthly basis just for this book. This is a great one as well. This one is Valentine's Day activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. Now, this is also a keyword that you may want to be able to search for, and have a look at this. This was literally listed and published a year ago, and it has a beautiful bestseller rank of 11,027, bringing in around 520 per month revenue. So beautiful one right over here. Utilize this amazing keyword, Valentine's Day word search for kids 6 to 8. Let's hop on to the next one. The next one is Valentine's Day word search for kids ages 8 to 12. It's similar to the previous one, but rather than being 6 to 8 years old, this one's 8 to 12, and it has a keyword niche score of 40 by Titans, a keyword niche score of 8 by Amazon Scout Pro. Now, number 9 is the highest, so I'm pretty happy with number 8. Total results are under 1,000, sitting at 735. Average bestseller rank within that 300 to 400,000, and it is currently at 430,166, a whooping 2,260 average reviews, and an average acceptable range of $7.55 for the average price. Scrolling down, we do have a couple of really good books that are ranking quite well. This one, for example, it is not sponsored, there is no ads, and it currently has a bestseller rank of 5,888, bringing in a wonderful revenue of 1,500 American dollars per month, selling around 570 copies per month. And this is exactly the evidence that you need to be convinced that these Valentine's Day books will sell all year round, provided that you create a really good book cover, a really good interior, although it has the Valentines right here, but it is selling all year round as well. And they're utilizing this amazing keyword is part of the title, as you can see right over here. So the keyword was Valentine's Day word search for kids ages 8 to 12. Let's jump on to the next. The next one is also word search related. It is Valentine's Day word search for adults, sweet and simple. It has a keyword niche score of 54 and a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing it as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're sitting at 468, and also the average bestseller rank is in the 600s, so it's 611,910. Ideally would be great for the 7 keyword slots. I wouldn't use it for the title or subtitle. This is a keyword appropriate for the 7 keyword slots because of the bestseller rank being in the high ranges. So I don't want to completely ignore it for you guys because it does have a potential. Yet this is what I would call an appropriate keyword for the 7 keyword slots because of the high bestseller rank and because of the total results under 1,000. Really good keyword niche score on both ends as well, and a good average price is something that would be ideal for that as well. So ignore the top 4 sponsored books and head over to this lovely thing right here. We've got 1, 2, and 3 books just in that one line in the first page that are under 100,000 for the bestseller rank. This one is 13,000. This one right here 32. This one right here is 86,000 for the bestseller rank. Scrolling down as well, we have a couple of really good books. This one is 106, 16,000, 168. We have 16,000 again and 3,000. Amazing potential Valentine's Day word search for adults. Now let's jump into number 9. Number 9 is Valentine's Day coloring book for toddlers bulk, and it has a beautiful, strong and solid keyword niche score by Titans of 68. Amazing. And a keyword niche score of 6 by Amazon Scout Pro. As a clarification, total results are within the 1,000 range, currently sitting at 1,631. Average bestseller rank is under 300,000, so that is also ideal, and it's sitting at 179,019. We have the average reviews at 343 and the average price of $14.29. A coloring book for Valentine's Day specifically for toddlers, and the word bulk here, it would be a great indication that it would be a lot of pages. So scroll down, have a look at the books that are selling, have a look at the average number of pages, the average number of drawings as well, and then you would be able to see, okay, if the majority of the books are offering, for example, 100 pages full of coloring book pages for toddlers about Valentine's Day, I'm going to offer 200, and so on. So try to offer more as well. Also, to keep in mind you're creating for toddlers, so keep it minimalistic, keep it large print. 8.5 times 11 inches would be an ideal size. Now let's jump into our 10th and final keyword for the day, and it is Valentine's Day word search for adults, large print. Beautiful, strong and solid clarification by both of the main Chrome extensions that we're using that this is the perfect keyword to be used for the title or subtitle. This is what I would use it for. First of all, we have a strong and solid keyword niche score of 72 by Titans. We also have a strong keyword niche score of number 8 by Amazon Scout Pro. Total results 309, under 1,000. Average bestseller rank is within that 300 to 400,000, and it is averaging 390,487. Average reviews are 7. Average price is $6.14. You could also be able to get wonderful interiors available in Creative Fabrica. The link is for the Creative Fabrica free trial for 30 days is linked below. Take advantage of that. That way you would get lovely interiors for free as well. We do have a couple of really good books that are ranking well. This one, for example, has a bestseller rank of 13,000, under 100,000. Scrolling down here, we have 85,000, under 100,000, under 100,000 right here as well. Really, really good books. This one is under 100,000. So we've got under 100,000 again. We've got a couple of really good books on the first page, around 5 that I've currently seen right now, just quickly scrolling down, that have bestseller ranks under 100,000 utilizing this amazing keyword. Now keep in mind here, large print, so please stick to the promise where it would be 8.5 times 11 inches. I wish you all the best, and if this video has helped you in any way, please subscribe to the channel. I'd love to have you on board. I'll see you in the next one.